Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got a little unboxing for you. Bought some truck parts for the old truck. Let's have a look. In the box is a set of fender flares from Injection Molding Technology. So I'll get the razor knife out. Let's bust it open and have a look. Now, they don't appear to be very well packed in here. They're just stacked one in front of the other with a plastic bag over them. You can see some of the plastic is, tore open, and that's just from shipping. So there's 4 of them in here, 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and of course a bag of hardware. So I'm going to pull one out and put it up against the side of the truck over here, and we'll have a little look, see how it looks. Now, the front fender flares are easily identifiable, but the rear ones, they appear to have a driver's side and a passenger side, and the only thing I can see to identify them are these 3 holes in the one side, because the other one has the exact same, but they're over here. Otherwise, they look identical. Now, fortunately, it looks like these 3 holes represent those 3 holes. Hope you got that in the shot. So this, I'll get some plastic trim on it and whatnot, but it's basically going to go up there and get you guys zoomed out like that. So now that I have these, I can temporarily place them up, put a pencil line up around here, and know exactly how much detail I have to put into these box fender arches. So till these get on the truck and installed and this box gets done, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Next one, as always, peace, guys.